Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. We'll explore some essential concepts of object-oriented programming. We'll break down these ideas using simple language and real-world examples. Let's get started. OOP, or object-oriented programming, is a programming style that organizes software design around data or objects, rather than functions and logic. An object can be a combination of variables, functions, and data structures. Think of objects like the things you see around you, like a car, a book, or a dog. Each object has its own properties and actions. For example, a dog has properties like color, breed, and age. It can also do actions like bark and run. In OOP, we create objects in our code that have properties and actions, just like real-life objects. The main benefits of OOP are that it helps organize complex programs, makes code more reusable, and easier to maintain. Now, let's dive into the key concepts of OOP. First of all, we talk about classes. A class is like a blueprint for creating objects. It defines a set of properties and behaviors that the objects created from the class will have. Think of it like a recipe for baking a cake. The recipe tells you what ingredients you need and the steps to follow. For example, if we have a class called car, it might have properties like color, make, and model, and behaviors like drive and stop. The class tells us that each car must have these properties and functions. Next, we talk about object. An object is an instance of a class. It is created using the class blueprint and can have unique properties and functions. If a class is a car blueprint, then objects are the real cars made from that blueprint. Each car is an object with properties like color and model, and methods like drive and stop. For example, you can create different car objects from the car class. Now we discuss about inheritance in programming. Inheritance is a way to create a new class from an existing class. The new class, called a child class, and existing class, called the parent class. A Honda class is child class and inherits from car class. It means Honda class have all the properties and behaviors of car class. Let's move to another concept of OOP. Abstraction means hiding the complex details and showing only the important parts. It helps us focus on what an object does, instead of how does it perform. For example, when you drive a car, you only need to know how to use the steering wheel, pedals, and gears. You don't need to know how the engine works. In programming, we use abstraction to hide complex code and show only the essential features. Our next concept is encapsulation. Encapsulation means keeping the details of an object hidden and showing only necessary information. It is a practice to keep data safe from outside interference and misuse. In programming, this is done by making the data private and providing public methods to access and update the data. In the code, name is hidden from the outside. We use getName and setName methods to access it. Our last concept in this discussion is polymorphism. Polymorphism means many forms. It is a concept that allows the same method to do different things. For example, let's say we have a class animal with a method make_sound. Different animals make different sounds, but we can use the same method to call their sounds. You can call makeSound on any animal object, and it will behave according to the actual object's class. Thank you for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Wishing you a great day and continued success in your coding journey.